Toilets seem boring, just a bowl, a flush, done. But travel the world, and toilets quietly reveal how cultures think. Europe and America aren't the same, and neither are their toilets. The differences are technical, but the reasons are cultural. Humans eat to survive. Not everything is absorbed, so we built machines to remove waste more efficiently than our bodies can.
Toilets. Did you notice, if you traveled around the world, how different they are? In France, the hole of the toilet bowl is in the back. The German toilets, the old type, now they are disappearing, but you still find them, it's the opposite. The hole is in front. In Anglo-Saxon world, United States, you get, the toilet bowl which is full of water.
In mainland Europe, the wash-down toilet dominates. Water pushes waste directly down. Simple, efficient, low water use. In the US and UK, the siphonic toilet rules. An S-shaped trap creates a vacuum that pulls waste away. American toilets literally suck. Then there are toilet stalls. Europe prefers full privacy. America leaves gaps, top and bottom. Why? Productivity. American bathrooms are designed to get you in and out. America and Europe aren't the same, and neither are their toilets.